Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm going to discuss GMB profile services optimization. So basically if you do not verify it, then we cannot add custom service. Okay, so here you can see my client have a 7 services. So we are going to try add some services. Okay, about your business, here you can see service area, special hours, and more service option. We can add offline, online apartment, offer, online estimate, both. Okay, then service area, just go edit service option. Okay, so here we can see this is our primary services, and here we can see custom services. We cannot add custom services before verification, but here we can add some. Here you can see artificial, concrete, masonry. This one is perfect. Custom landscape design, then garden design, gardening service, garden decorating, garden landscape, garden design, garden landscape, grass shedding, landscape design, landscape installation, lawn care, path landscape, retaining wall design. These are the perfect. Okay, desert landscaping. Okay, artificial tarp installation. So in this way you need to add the maximum service category which are most relevant on your businesses, on your client businesses. So add this one, and in this way you can optimize your services. Thank you so much for watching this video. When we will get verified, then we will add custom services. Thank you so much.